Okay, here's a small parcel of Potch from Seam Opal mine, Lightning Ridge area. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted to help bring out the colours. It's basically being sold as beginner practice material with a low expectation of any real colour in it. Okay, I've just gone in a bit. The idea behind this was to sell the pieces with you get some of them you can hold in your hand to use on the grinder and get the feel for how aggressive and how quickly the stones worn away. Looks like there's a fair bit more small stuff amongst this. Something like that you can practice cutting. Start with the pieces with no colour to get the feel. Like I say, they're not being sold to get gemstones, they're just sold to get the feel for cutting, manipulating the stone on the wheels. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.